bike in a town, and we've got to get some supplies. I managed to get a lift here from the builders, but we have got to cycle back, and the weather is changing, as you can see. So we're also going to look for our microphone on the way home. Let's see if we can find it. Very fancy indeed. Right, let's get Google Maps out and figure out where I'm actually going, because apparently there's a bike shop in the adjacent town. But I should probably also look at the weather to make sure that I'm not going to get rained off. Brilliant. Fantastic. It's no barriers, it's just a sign. That'll do. Just a sign. That's all they need. Can I go yet? I've been waiting the longest. I'm only on a bike. This is way more tired than I thought it was going to be, and way further. I'm just waiting for it to open, which is just opened. Gonna go look for a seat now. It's kind of awkward. There's the bike shop. I'm gonna go in there now. I'm gonna bring the GoPro with me as well. Right.
Cuando yo salga de trabajar, yo eso, las 5 o las 6, ¿está bien?
Sí. Sí, porque no, el chiquillo no van a por la tarde, entonces yo estaré.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
Buenas, dime.
Hola, mi español poco. ¿Habla inglés, no?
Poco, pero bueno.
I need a seat. Sí, but grande, cushion.
No.
No. See, almost like that. See.
It's a cover for sedan.
No. No. But it's okay. It's okay. Right, I managed to get a seat, which I'm happy about. It's really big as well, but I couldn't put it on in the shop, and the bloke didn't seem to want to put it on for me either. So I am walking back down to the main strip, go to the shop, get a couple of drinks, and then off home to get to change this fucking bike seat. So many people looking at me as well, so awkward. Nice town though. This is this little park, just in the middle of the town. Really nice. We should have stuff like that at home. So nice. Jesus Christ, I've just turned the corner and look at the fucking state of that weather. That's what I'm going into. I'm literally cycling towards that. I think I'm going to get soaked. Oh no. If I get electrocuted, this was such a stupid idea. I want a basket, not a trolley. And there's only trolleys, so looks like I'm carrying it by hand. A large Red Bull to get me back. Maybe a Powerade. Powerade, will that do? I don't really want a Powerade, but I probably need it. Some energy gels there as well, but I don't really want to get one of those. Yes. And then all I need now is a coffee, and then I can go happy. Secured, and bike's still outside, which is great. Still looks like it's gonna rain, but we'll deal with that. We have got what we need. I've got some chewing gum to tie me over to when I get home. I can cook a steak. I've got about an hour and a half cycle home. It looks like it's gonna rain, which isn't great. My arse hurts. But we got a new seat. So, also we got to paint the wall tomorrow as well. I prepped that today. Successful trip, I would say. Didn't really get anything else. I couldn't be bothered, I just kind of want to go home. Let's hope we get home in one piece now. That'd be real nice. So, I just got home and it is raining. It's been raining for the last hour or so. I didn't record much on the way back because I was struggling to hold the GoPro and record at the same time. But the results of that trip, so on my phone we did average 132 beats per minute, 7.8 kilometers an hour. That's because I was stopping in the towns and stuff and I didn't stop the watch. But we did 26 kilometers, that's the important one. 26 kilometers with, how many calories is that? Where does it show? Oh, it doesn't. That's a shame. Anyway, the good news is, after I give the bike a wash, we did get a bike shop and we got a brand new seat. And look at the size of that with big chunky. Let's walk down the stairs. Big chunky seat, which should be enough cushion, and it's got springs on the bottom of it. So if we compare the size of the seats, we can see this one is much larger, way more cushiony. Should be really nice to sit on, especially with the springs. That should really help a lot. So I'm going to get this fitted tomorrow, and then we'll have a brand new seat to sit on the old trusty purple bike. It served us well so far, the bike. Plans for the rest of the day, I'm gonna eat some food because I'm starving, haven't eaten anything. And then hopefully the video from yesterday's uploaded because I left that uploading while I was gone. Have some wine, chill out, do some work, maybe go in the pool. I'm really hoping this weather clears because it looks like there's another storm coming in. But this should be the last day of it and then we should get some sun tomorrow. But if that's it for today, then that's it. But there might be some more. But I'm glad we got a seat. I'm so glad we got a seat so we can do more. Oh, and I also got, obviously we got the sausage from Mercadona too. Let's see.